Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a summer vacation-y haul for y'all, and it's from Zaful. I've done maybe 1 or 2 hauls from them before, and they have some really cute stuff, really inexpensive, so here we go again. I tried to be as smart as I could be with the sizes because you know it comes from China, so the sizes are a little bit off from the American sizes, but I did the best that I could. So let's get started. Just go ahead and get right into this. The first outfit that I'm going to show is what I have on right now, and it is a 2-piece. It's a top and a bottom, and I tried to be smart with it and order a size bigger than what I actually thought I needed because I wanted the shirt to be baggier so it wouldn't come up as high as it does and show too much midriff. And I wanted the shorts to be a little bit baggier. So this is a medium, but in all honesty, I should have gotten a large if I wanted that baggier effect. But I thought I was doing pretty good with the medium, but still in all, this outfit is cute. It has pockets in the shorts as well as a drawstring. It doesn't really tighten, it's just there basically for decoration. So yeah, this is the first outfit. It's a top and bottom shirt, crop shirt in shorts. The shorts aren't too short, but they're short. But they are really comfortable, y'all. Like, this set is really, really comfortable. Okay, so next up is this really cute crop top. But again, I missed the mark with the sizing because I wanted it to be a little lower. But this is a medium as well. So if you have big boobs, or if you just want it to fit lower and not so high up, definitely get a large. Go up, because that's what I was trying to do with this. But it's still a really cute shirt, and it has this little cute knot right here. That's so cute. And then it opens right here too, which is strange. So I definitely won't be wearing this sans bra. So yeah, and I got this shirt specifically to go with these linen pants. So yeah, this is really cute though. I love it. And the quality of this shirt is really, really good. Like, I was afraid that it was going to be real cheap, thin, and flimsy, but the quality of this shirt is really good. It's nice, and it's not thick, but it's like really good quality. Like, it's not, you're not going to wash it and it's going to tear up in the washing machine after one wash. Like, it's really good quality. I love this shirt, even though it comes up a lot higher than what I want, and I gotta try to pull my pants up higher so that I'm not showing too much skin in this area. Don't mind them dogs, y'all. But I really like this look overall. Okay, so this next shirt that I got is this really cute pink crop top again, and it also has that knot right there, but it's a different kind of knot, and it's really cute as well. And it comes up higher than I would have wanted it to, but my intention was to pair it with this high-waisted skirt. Let me back up. My intention was to pair it with this high-waisted skirt anyway, so I'm not at all worried about this little splash of skin because the skirt comes up as high as I would like it to cover that anyway. So, and again, this one is really good quality too. I thought it was going to be super paper thin, but it's not. And I mean, it's see-through, but wear a nude bra and you'll be fine. So yeah, this is really cute, and this is a medium as well. I really like it though, especially with this skirt. It looks so cute with this skirt. Okay, next up is one that I was really excited about and it is this black jumpsuit that I plan to wear for you know, a nice dinner. But yeah, I was really afraid that it was going to be cheap and thin, but it's not. Surprise, surprise. Okay, the only thing that I do not like about this is that if you're bigger than a C or a D cup boob wise, this ain't for you. Okay, like, it covers from the front, it covers good, but there's a lot of side boob action going on that I'm not gonna show y'all. But yeah, I was really excited about this one. This is how it looks from the back, crisscrossed in the back. Like I said, I'm not gonna show y'all that side boob because baby, it's out there. Oh, and it comes down to about right above my ankle. So yeah, but with this, I'm gonna wear a jacket or a sweater or something over the top, because like, look at that, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna show y'all it all, but look at that. You can see that it's coming out, kind of. So yeah, I probably won't wear it at all, or I'll throw a jacket or something over. So yeah, like I said, if you're a big boob girl, if you have bigger than if you have a CUD or anything above, definitely don't go for this, or go a size up to make sure that your girls are covered. Okay, so next up I have this really cute blue and white striped romper. The only thing I can say about this one is that it fits real loose right here, which I probably have to take in, and this is a small, so I'll probably have to take that in some, but other than that, it's really cute. The back opens like that, and it's so cute. Have to take the sides in because it's a little big. But other than that, this is really cute. Throw a belt on with some cute sandals, and you ready to take off? But other than that, I really love this romper. I love that detail. And this material is real perfect for summertime because it's real breathable. So you don't have to worry about suffocating your body or, you know, stuff like that. So this is really cute, and I love the back. I'm just gonna have to take this in some, which I can do myself. I have a sewing machine, so I'll just take the sides in myself. But yeah, I love this one, and this is a small, so. And lastly, I have this really cute mustard floral romper, and it is so cute. It's actually my favorite piece, but what I will do is either pin or sew up the cleavage area so that it's not just like ba-bam, you know, all out there. So I will be sewing that part up or pinning it up with a bobby pin or something like that. But other than that, this one is really cute, and it's not too short, so my butt isn't in danger of falling out of it. It's really flowy, and the material is really breathable. So yeah, this one is really cute, and this is my favorite piece. Here's a little bit of the detail. It's so cute, so cute, and perfect for summertime, perfect for brown skin. Like, it just makes brown skin pop. I love this color, and this color seems to be really popular during the spring and summertime right now. So yeah, this is the last piece, and I believe I got this one in a size large. I did read some of the reviews on this one and was smart and went up and got a large. So this one fits really good. I really love this look. So yeah, that is all for my spring summer vacation Zaful haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and go find you some really cute pieces, because these things, like the things on their site, are really affordable and cute. I did get some swimming suits as well, because I've told y'all I'm going on vacation this month. Matter of fact, I'm going on vacation, and I did get some swimming suits. Now, all of this stuff was sent to me from them, but I did go ahead and order my own swimming suits, just because anything that they send me I have to try on camera, and I'm not about to be on camera in no swimming suit. Because even on the beach, I'm not just gonna be in a swimming suit. I'm gonna have a cover up. So yeah, I did order my own swimming suits, and the quality of them, like, y'all think that they send YouTubers the best stuff, but I placed an order for myself, not sent through them. I placed an order for myself with my own money for my swimming suits, and they are really cute. They're really good quality. I got 3 of them for like $30, and that was with shipping and everything. So yeah, go ahead, go on there, find you some cute stuff, and have a great summer. If you're going on vacation this summer, let me know down below where you're going. I would love to know. I would love some more ideas. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.